Throw away your old fonts because they make your edits look rudimentary. Today, I'm giving you 40 of the trending fonts. Let's get started.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red